Hi! Today we're making a delicious chocolate peanut butter smoothie. It's so delicious, it tastes like a chocolate peanut butter cup. You'd never know all the healthy ingredients inside. I make this smoothie almost every day for breakfast because it's quick to make and it's convenient. I can eat it on the go. Stick around so you can find out how it's made.
Got 3 Medjool dates. You're going to want to remove the pits from the inside if you don't have pitted dates. If you do have pitted dates, break them in half and make sure that the pit's actually gone, because I've had that happen before and you definitely don't want ground up pit in your smoothie. They also have these little things on the top, almost like a cap. You're going to want to remove those as well. Now I use 3 Medjool dates because that's the sweetness level that I prefer. If you want it less sweet, just use less dates. If you're using Deglet Noor dates instead of Medjool dates, then you'll want to use 6 of those instead of 3. Next, I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of flax seeds. I add them for their health benefits. They really don't do anything for the taste. They have a lot of fiber, and they're full of lignans, which according to Dr. Greger and Dr. Furman, are really good for you. Vanilla bean powder. I prefer that over vanilla extract, and I just add a pinch. Organic cacao powder. This is the Better Body Foods brand I get from Walmart. It's really tasty. I make sure to add a big heaping spoonful of that. Then we have natural peanut butter. It's just ground up peanuts, and I think they add a little bit of salt. Another heaping spoonful of that. And I fill up my little strainer with kale. You want to make sure you're removing the big thick stems. If you have a high-powered blender like a Vitamix, then it can handle the stems. I just think it tastes better without them, so I don't add them in. And you're not even going to taste the kale in this smoothie. And if you want, you can use a little bit less kale, but it is super good for you, so. Next, I have a half of a frozen banana. And you're going to want to put some ice cubes in there if you have a high-powered blender, because it will make your smoothie warm if you don't. And some unsweetened almond milk. I don't like using things that have added sugar. And I'm using about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of the almond milk. Now we're going to blend it all up and get ready to drink some chocolate peanut butter cup smoothie. This smoothie is so good. It's like having dessert for breakfast. Now you may have noticed my Vitamix looks a little bit different. It's because I'm using the BioChef vacuum top for the canister for the blender. Vacuum blending just makes things taste so much better in my opinion, and I can have this smoothie and sip on it over an hour or two and the taste won't really change, whereas if you use just the regular Vitamix, it starts to taste funny if it sits for too long from all the oxidation.
Chocolate peanut butter smoothie.